Using YouTube can be a great way to share video content for your brand with your customers. By allowing your customers to watch your videos as unlisted and not listed in the search results, it allows them to view your content without having to register or log into your YouTube account. Now, this will prevent YouTube from recommending your videos to other people, and it will not be shown on your YouTube channel to all the other people who are using YouTube. Only the people with the link to the video will be able to watch the video that you upload as unlisted. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Valia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to post a video on YouTube as unlisted. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so once you are on your YouTube homepage, mine's still loading, but once you're on your YouTube homepage, what you have to do to upload a video as unlisted is look in this top bar that you have. So as you can see, there's the YouTube logo, there's a search bar, some voice memo bar, and there is a create icon right here, which kind of looks like a video camera with a plus sign in it. So you just have to click on this icon and you can see upload video, go live, or create a post. Now you have to choose upload video from right here. Awesome. Drag and drop the video files to be uploaded or select any file that you want to upload. So I'm just going to select it really quickly. So this is the video that I would like to upload. You can give it a title really quickly. Okay, so I've given it a really quick title. I've put a description here, and I've also put a thumbnail from here. So you can choose a thumbnail from right here. You can change, you can download it, or they will give you 3 really nice pictures from the video itself to put as a thumbnail. So if you don't have a custom thumbnail, you can always go with the default thumbnail that they give you. They'll give you 3 options, so you can choose one of those options. When you scroll down, you can add this particular video to a playlist as well. Scroll down. If the video is meant for kids, then yes, it's made for kids. But if it's not meant for kids, if it's for adults who are more than 18, more than 13, then you have to click on no, it's not made for kids, because these two, they have different algorithms on how it works. So make sure that it's not made for kids, if it's not made for kids. When you scroll down, you will be able to see that you can allow automatic chapters, and I will be making a video on automatic chapters really soon as well. But moving forward, under tags, you can see that tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. So it's kind of like if someone is spelling privacy policy incorrectly, then these tags will be able to help them identify my video and then search for my video as well. So yeah, if your video is unlisted, then tags won't be of much help. But if it's public, then yes, go ahead, put some tags in. And yeah, the rest is fine. Once our video is uploaded, as you can see in the bottom where my cursor is, the uploading is on 40%, almost 40% right now. There's 5 minutes left. So once the video is uploaded and processed, we'll move on to the next steps, which is video elements, then checks, and the main part of our video, which is visibility. Now, as you can see, our uploading is complete and it's being processed. Once it's processed and you click on next, you can see that you'll be able to add some subtitles if you want. You'll be able to add an end screen and add a card as well. So end screen is something that will be that another video of your channel or any other channel of your liking, if you select it, would be displayed by the end of your video where you put your outros, right? So you'll be able to put an end screen there. And cards are things that are shown right now. For example, I've put a video. So whatever comes here is actually a card. So you'll be able to put cards in the middle of the video, which can link to any other channel, your own channel, your playlists, your videos, whatever you want, or any other video as well. So any of the video on the YouTube world, you'll be able to put in the cards and put it in your videos wherever you want, right? So this is how you'll be able to do it, and you'll only be able to do it once it's uploaded and processed. So as you can see, It's been processed and you'll be able to add an end screen and cards here. If you want to learn how to add these end screen and add these cards, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video about it. Let's move forward. Once your checks are complete, you don't have to do anything over here. Once your checks are complete, you'll be able to publish this as private, which means that only you'll be able to see, as unlisted, which means that, whoever you share the video link with, only those people will be able to see. Now, this can be helpful for people who don't want their videos to be published on YouTube, but they want to put their videos on their own blog posts, right? So they can just copy this and paste it in the blog post. And I've already uploaded a video on how you can do that. Putting a card right here, you can go ahead and check it out as well. I'll also put it in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. Anyway, so unlisted video means that only people with the link will be able to watch the video. So it can be because of any reasons. Now, if you're not uploading it as unlisted or private, of course, you're uploading it as public. When you upload your video as public, everyone on YouTube will be able to watch it. You can also do one thing. You can upload your video as unlisted for a little bit of time or private for a little bit of time, and then you can schedule it to make it public, right? So yeah, YouTube is very, very helpful in that way. But yes, we are uploading our video as unlisted today. And yeah, our HD version is also processed. I can just save this and our video is uploaded as unlisted. Now, if I want to share this video link with anyone, I can just copy the video link from here, share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, wherever I want. And yeah, copy it from here, put it on your WordPress blog post, your Instagram, your Facebook, wherever you want. And voila, we're done with it. Hope you guys were able to understand what unlisted videos are, and you were also able to upload a video as unlisted as well. I will be coming up with a lot of WordPress and other tools related videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, any queries, any suggestions, or any other kind of video that you would like to watch on the Learn Today channel, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. Go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Balia, and I will see you in our next SOP.